Geospatial analysis usually involves multiple tools, complex workflows, and a fair bit of technical effort. GriidAI simplifies all of that into a single platform where you can build, process, and explore geospatial data using simple prompts. Getting started with GriidAI is pretty simple. You can quickly create an account by entering your basic details. The platform is designed to be accessible from the very first step, whether you are a GIS expert or just getting started. On this screen, you will notice both login and registration options, so existing users can directly sign in while new users can register to get started. For registration, you can either fill in your details manually, or you can even use a faster option by directly signing in from Google. I'll go ahead and use Google Sign In here to quickly get started. Once logged in, you enter the GriidAI workspace, a clean and focused environment designed for geospatial problem solving. To begin, I'll start a new session. In GriidAI, everything starts with a prompt. You simply describe what you want to analyze. For starters, let's get to know the agent. Before moving on to the analysis, let's first understand the dashboard. The platform is organized into 3 main sections. On the left here, you see the session history and navigation, where you can create new chats or revisit the previous ones. On the center panel is your main workspace where all prompts, processing steps, and results are displayed. On the right, you have quick access tools including the data catalog, upload section, as well as visualization controls and support features. As suggested by the agent, before running any analysis, let's upload a dataset. GriidAI supports both raster and vector data formats including shapefiles, GeoJSONs, flat GeoBuff, Parquet, GeoParquet, GeoTIFF, as well as CSV. So let's start by uploading a shapefile. I'm selecting a Miami census tract shapefile here. Let's upload it. Okay, great. The file has been uploaded. This plethora of data type options makes it easy to bring your existing data without any extra pre-processing conversion steps. Once the data is uploaded, it appears in the data catalog. This data catalog acts as a central repository for all your datasets as well as outputs within this session. From here, you can search, manage, and reuse your datasets. The uploaded data can also be visualized on the map. Apart from that, GriidAI also allows you to directly interact with the attribute information of your vector data. For example, you can also do attribute-based queries like selecting a particular field and filtering out a certain subset of records. Here, based upon the census tract, I am trying to filter out the tracts having population greater than 4,000. The selected attributes can be visualized separately onto the map, allowing you to quickly identify the specific areas of interest. Additionally, if you want to visualize the selected attributes along with the remaining ones, that option is there as well. You can also customize the attribute table by choosing the columns to display what you want, making it easier to focus only on relevant information. Along with the uploaded data, the process results can also be visualized directly within the platform, allowing you to explore spatial patterns interactively without exporting data to external GIS tools. Now comes the core of GriidAI, the prompt-driven analysis. Instead of manually building workflows, you can simply describe your task in natural language. As you can see, GriidAI takes the input and translates it into a structured geospatial workflow. The system automatically interprets the request and prepares a geospatial workflow plan based upon the input prompt. We have requested the system to analyze how population is distributed across the census tracts in the Miami region. It has come up with a plan. Let's give it the permission to process. As you can see, the agent has identified the areas of high concentration by calculating population density, and we can also visualize the results directly onto the map. As you can see, there are high population density pockets into the urban sector and lower population density near the rural regions, which is expected. Even with a simple single prompt, the platform is able to derive meaningful spatial insights and present them in an intuitive way. This conversation format between the user and the agent ensures that both the request and the analysis remain transparent and easy to follow. If you ever need guidance into understanding and building your own workflows, GriidAI also includes a built-in help center. From here, you can access documentation on getting started, working with data, performing analysis, and best practices. This ensures that users always have structured support while working on complex tasks. GriidAI brings together data ingestion, geospatial processing, visualization, and collaboration into a single intelligent workspace. From simple analysis to complex workflows, it enables faster, more accessible geospatial decision-making.